Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're going to demystify deploying Oracle Database 26 AI on premises. If you've ever hesitated to bring native AI capabilities directly into your own data center because you assumed the setup would just be a total operational nightmare, well, you are in the exact right place. We are going to prove that adopting powerful, built-in AI capabilities can actually be secure, incredibly fast, and remarkably simple using Oracle's Auto Upgrade tool.
Okay, let's take a quick look at our roadmap. We'll be covering the on-prem AI advantage, meeting our prerequisites, configuring auto upgrade in MOS, downloading the 26 AI software, creating the Oracle Home, and finalizing the installation. Let's dive right in.
Starting off with Section 1, the on-prem AI advantage. We really need to start by addressing the major enterprise dilemma surrounding modern AI adoption and data security today.
It's a classic catch-22, right? The cloud innovates at breakneck speed, but organizations are understandably super cautious about moving their sensitive data off-site. I mean, strict regulatory and operational constraints are no joke. Well, Oracle Database 26i bridges that exact gap. It allows you to keep your highly sensitive data locked down completely locally, whether that's an on-prem or hybrid environment, while still letting you leverage really powerful native vector database and AI features right there at the source.
To solve the installation headaches of the past, Oracle delivers 26 AI for Linux x64-64 as a golden image. Think of this as a streamlined, pre-configured software package that basically acts like an automated easy button for your deployment. It completely strips away that traditional, tedious complexity and saves you hours, literally hours, of manual configuration.
Let's move into the execution phase. Section 2. Meeting the prerequisites and setting our foundation. Before we get to the magic of the Auto Upgrade tool, we do need a very precise setup.
You absolutely must ensure your foundation is solid. That means having Oracle Linux 9.6 installed and running, along with adequate CPU, memory, and disk resources, plus the Auto Upgrade jar file downloaded. And finally, this is key, you must execute the specific 26A pre-install RPM package. This little step is what automatically configures your required OS users and sets all those crucial kernel parameters. It totally prevents human error and saves you from having to do it all by hand.
Now, here is a crucial point, and honestly, it's a major potential pitfall for a lot of administrators. Auto Upgrade strictly demands Java 11. It is just not compatible with newer versions. If you try running it with a later runtime environment, the tool will straight up throw an error and fail. So avoid newer versions completely. Just install Java 11 directly via your OS repository to bypass any compatibility headaches right out of the gate. To keep our infrastructure incredibly organized for this upgrade, we're going to establish two distinct directory structures. On one side, we have the traditional Oracle application paths, where the core software will actually live. On the other side, we carve out a dedicated staging area specifically for Auto Upgrade to isolate its key stores, logs, and patches. Keeping these separated right from the start makes long-term management and troubleshooting so much easier.
All right, Section 3, configuring Auto Upgrade and connecting to MOS. Now that our prep work and directories are squared away, we need to securely connect our tool to the mothership.
This configuration is a breeze if you follow 4 simple steps. First, create a minimal configuration file called download.cfg. Take note of this. You must set the target version to 23. I know, we're installing 26 CI, but this is a specific requirement for the tool's current routing. Next, run the Auto Upgrade tool with the load password parameter. It'll prompt you, and you just type in your My Oracle support credentials. Finally, verify that the system automatically generated the secure key store files in your designated directory. Boom, your credentials are now safely locked away.
Moving on to Section 4, downloading the 26 AI software. With our authentication securely handled, we can now command our automated assistant to actually fetch the payload.
By executing one single download command in your terminal, Auto Upgrade reads your configuration file and automatically reaches out to My Oracle support on your behalf. You aren't endlessly clicking through support portals, you are letting the tool do all the heavy legwork for you. It's fantastic. Instead of manually hunting for patches, the system automatically downloads the Golden Image Database Release Update, the Data Pump Bundle Patch, and the correct OPatch version. And what's truly awesome here is that it doesn't just download them. It automatically validates every single file right into your staging folder. It guarantees you have the exact right artifacts before you even try to install, which totally prevents corrupted setups and saves hours of potential rollback time.
We're cruising along! Section 5,
creating the Oracle Home. We now pivot from downloading into the actual extraction phase.
After creating a brief secondary installation config file where you define your target paths and Oracle base, you fire off one create_home command. That's literally it. The tool takes over entirely and immediately starts extracting that golden image into your new Oracle Home. And hey, you're never left in the dark during this phase. The Auto Upgrade tool gives you an interactive console. Just type the lsj-a command and you can watch Auto Upgrade rapidly execute the deployment in real time. It refreshes the job status every 7 seconds, letting you track the extraction of the golden image with total visibility and control. It's pretty cool to watch. And finally, Section 6, finalizing your installation. In just minutes, the automated heavy lifting finishes, and we arrive at the final verification steps. Once that automated console job successfully reports completed, your part is incredibly straightforward. Simply log in as the root user, or use sudo, and run your two standard scripts, root.sh and orinst-root.sh. This finalizes the system permissions. After that, you can check the beautifully generated HTML or text status logs in your staging directory to review the complete summary report.
What's really exciting is how this exact quote from Oracle AC Pro Chanaka Yapa captures the entire essence of this explainer. You get cutting-edge AI directly where your most sensitive data already lives. You can leverage powerful vector search without moving your data outside the platform. And, as we just saw, deploying it is surprisingly rapid and completely secure.
So, with Auto Upgrade acting as your personal automated deployment assistant, the technical barrier to entry is just gone. The only question left is, what AI-driven use cases will you explore first in your own data center? Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I really hope this gives you the absolute confidence to start innovating securely with Oracle Database 26AI.